Hi, I'm Ken Wilson with Pristine Clean. Pressure washing is a complex and advanced cleaning service that requires substantial levels of knowledge and skill to be done effectively and safely. Unfortunately, the industry is one that's easily entered and accessible to anyone with a working power washer and a little bit of ambition. For this reason, the cost of pressure washing in Northeast Ohio is as wide-ranging as the levels of skill and professionalism represented. Shopping around for power washing quotes is therefore far from an apples-to-apples comparison. In this industry, you get precisely what you pay for. The value offered by Pristine Clean is summarized in the following ways. We care about quality. Pristine Clean is a professional source for pressure washing. Each year we spend significant amounts of resources to ensure we are on the cutting edge of the industry. We're certified members of the PWNA, the Power Washers of North America, and all of our service technicians go through extensive training in order to offer the highest quality service in a way that's safe for your home and your property. We have the knowledge, skill, and equipment to perform with excellence. Pristine Clean maintains A ratings on the BBB, Angie's List, and 5-star on Google. We care about our customers. Pristine Clean strives to offer the very best customer experience in the industry. We're a customer-centered company that works towards the satisfaction of each and every client. We're accessible and we're responsive. Our policy is to protect our customers from liabilities by taking responsibility for our work and carrying commercial insurance that exceeds industry requirements. We care about safety. Pristine Clean is dedicated to the safety and well-being of all of our servicemen. Each one of our employees is required to participate in annual safety training and certification. In addition, each of our servicemen is covered by workers' compensation, and all of our full-time staff is offered comprehensive health care benefits. We care about the environment. Pristine Clean is an environmentally friendly company. All of our detergents and cleaning solutions are either eco-friendly or utilizing an eco-friendly application. Customers can be confident that our cleaning process is safe enough for your landscaping around your home, your pets, or the environment. We care about community. Pristine Clean is your hometown pressure washing company that services Northeast Ohio for over a decade. We're not a national chain, so all of the profits stay right here in Northeast Ohio and are used to provide the community with well-paying, dependable jobs. Thank you so much for considering Pristine Clean.